Hi, this is Ritvik, Assistant Professor from JNFIU, from the Department of Urban and Regional Planning. So here we are to this TV9 Expo for exploring different opportunities which are available in JNFIU. So we provide DTDP, urban planning, and BSc courses for the students who are interested after completing their MSET. So these are different courses after engineering, just not engineering, but we are trying to provide different criteria towards focusing towards planning, and planning consists of infrastructure, housing, transportation related. DTDP consists of technology based courses, and BSc is all about construction and providing the services for different fields in engineering based only. So this is our criteria towards JNFAU. And we hail and we come from Jawaharlal Nehru Architecture and Finance University. Thank you. Ours is a government university, and we especially have, this is our state university focusing towards School of Planning and Architecture, Hyderabad. Thank you.
So we are the students of BTech DTDP, that is Digital Techniques for Design and Planning. So I'm currently in my second year, and she's in her third year. So what basically DTDP is like a multidisciplinary course that has four major fields, that is like design, IT, multimedia, and GIS. So when we talk about design we have lots of categories of design, that is like architectural design, product design, UI UX design, graphic design, and web designing. So there's like a lot of scope.
And we also include IT. We also include IT. In IT, we have, as CSC has, we also have C, C++, Java, and we also include GIS. In GIS, we have Geoinformatics System, where we show, our faculty show how to look at maps in GIS. And in multimedia, we talk about the movies, and the animation, VFX, and etc.
Yeah. So basically, this is like an integration of all these four fields: design, IT, multimedia, and GIS. So this develops you on like your skills, and more than and it helps you build your portfolio. So we know that nowadays people basically need skills more than any like degree or like your score. So if you enroll in this course, you'll explore a lot of skills.
We
And
have practical subjects. We don't have any theory subjects more. All the subjects based on a practical subject. So students can easily pass. I mean, they can easily learn the skills. Other than Bhatti and theory subject, they can learn easily.